Welcome to this Google Docs crash course. First, we are going to type in docs.google.com inside the web address right here. Press enter and then you will see this page. You can choose or select any of these templates, or you can start with a blank page as I do now for this tutorial. Once we have opened a new doc file, first we are going to rename it. So click here in the top left corner and change it to whatever you want to name it. I'm gonna type in shopping list. Press enter and you can see that this change is being saved. Let's type in some products for my shopping list. Flour, milk, olive oil, pasta or tomatoes. Every time I type in something in Google Docs or I'm doing some changes, you can see on top that it is saving in real time. To check if it's true, just click on the Google Docs logo in the top left corner. You can find your shopping list document in recent documents, and if you click on this folder icon, you can also find your created file here, select it and open it. And as you can see here, everything is still available. If you click on file here in the top left corner and then click on move, you can double click on the shopping list and create a new folder. Let's call it list and click on move. This is for organizing your files inside the drive. Right on top you can find the toolbar where you can change the font type, the font size and even the color. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can even adjust line and letter spacing, change paragraph alignment to left, center or right. And if you need, you can create bulleted or numbered lists. It is also possible to insert links, images or comments. Let's type in shopping list and underline it. Then we are going to add checkboxes for the products in our shopping list. If we click on this link icon here and paste our link, you can see that we have created a functional link. If we click on this image icon, we can upload any image from our computer, or we can search the web for a suitable image we want to use. Just select it and insert it. To change the empty space between the edge of the document and the space where you are adding your content is called margin, and you can change it by clicking on File and then Page Setup. Here you can change the margin, for example reduce it to 0.3. It means the space between the text you are typing in and the edge of the document is reduced, and you have more space inside the document for typing. But usually you should keep it by default because it is the standard. You can either click on File and download this document, or you can click on Share in the top right corner here, insert or type in the email you want to collaborate. For example, you can just show it by selecting Viewer, or you can also let the people to comment it by using Commenter, or even let them edit this document by clicking Editor. Then click on the button Send to send the document. You can also just click on the Share button again in the top right corner, and without selecting any recipient, you can just click on Copy Link and share the link to anybody. Don't forget to change or adjust how the people can access the document right here. And that's basically it. All the basics you need to know about Google Docs. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.